How to see your profile picture on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see your profile picture on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now click on your profile and then click here, and now click this one, view profile picture. And that's how to see your profile picture on Facebook mobile. And that's it. That's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.